In the online space today, as we all know, a lot of people can jump online and make money from zero to $100,000, depends on the skill. But the main thing and the main problem we are facing online is because people are just bagging on the internet and they don't focus on adding value or producing value. But in this video today, I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can use to make money for yourself as an online beginner or anybody that is interested in making money. And with these strategies, you can make anything from zero to thousands of dollars, depends on how much work you put in. So if that being said, and that's what you have interest in, let's get down into this video. Welcome and welcome back, guys. If this today is your first time of watching my YouTube video, kindly leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel so you can get more full updates like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back to the channel. And today's video, like I said, I want to share with you 5 different ways that you can use to make money online from zero to thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. So the very first thing I want to show you in today's video on how to make money for yourself is faceless Instagram channel. So I'm going to teach you how to set it up, how to grow your accounts, and how you can make money with it with faceless Instagram channel. And it's something simple and easy to do, and this alone can make you thousands of dollars if you put up the work and all the necessary information you need to know about it, and you pay close attention and you make sure you take action. Because if I teach you and you not take action, that means this video is just not adding value to you. The next one will be faceless YouTube channel, and the third one we have sales, freelance, and sell a course. I'm going to walk you through this 5 process, and that's what we are going to jump into right now. The very first thing is faceless Instagram channel. For example, this channel on Instagram, which is called Millionaire Mentor, this person have generated 10 million followers on this account, and I'm very sure this is not the only account this person is running. We have other accounts that he or she is running, because I don't know the person behind it. So as you can see right now, so the reason why I said Instagram faceless channel is because this alone can make you a lot of money, because people, business owners, entrepreneurs, artists, everybody will reach out to you to sell or to give them followers, or they will buy your shout outs. Let me put it that way. They will buy your shout outs and they will want you to promote their page, product, and all those kind of stuff. So that alone can make you thousands of dollars. Imagine you are charging $100 or let's say $10, let's say $20 for instance, for a day story post, and you are getting like 10 order per day on your Instagram DM. Like, that's $100, and you just need 1,000 sales to make your 100,000, and that's so simple to make your $100,000 as soon as possible. But I'm going to show you where you are going to sell your service, your shout out, and also I'm going to show you 3 or 2 different ways you can also use to make money with your faceless Instagram channel, because it's just something simple to do and easy to do. The very first thing is to start your account. Create an Instagram account. Once you create an Instagram account, set it up, choose a niche that you want to go into. So I'm going to give you 3 niche that I do recommend, because those niche are evergreen. We have wealth, health, and relationship. Those 3 niche are evergreen because everybody is trying to make money, and people that have money still want to make more money. Everybody needs health, and they will buy anything you are putting out with that. And also relationship, we are getting married every blessed day, and relationship keeps holding on. So that 3 niche is evergreen, and you can also leverage on that about your Instagram channel. But we advise, if you are starting, make sure you grow your account first, and you make sure you have everything optimized like this. As you can see right here, this person said community organization, and is trying to promote. This is a shout out. This is a shout out. This is a shout out. This is not the account. It's just trying to send traffic to this account, and this is an affiliate link promotion. So once you set up your account, the next thing you need to do is to start building your account. You start building your account. As you can see, this person is just trying to put quotes on pictures like this and post it day by day. And you too, you can do the same thing. All you need to do is to come over to canva.com. So on canva.com, you come over right here, then you search Instagram post. So once you search Instagram post, they will give you different templates that you can just write something on, like you can edit. So if I come over right here and I search Instagram post, so they will give me different templates that I can use for my personal use. So you need to do now, once you have different templates on here, I don't know, the network is a bit slow, so that's why. So as you can see, you have a lot right here. So you just click one, and all you need to do next is to come over to ChatGPT. Let me show you. So you come over to chat.openai.com, which is ChatGPT. So once you open up your ChatGPT, the next thing you want to do is to write some codes in your niche. Then you just tell ChatGPT, be like, write 20 deep thoughts quotes for okay, let me say you are in wealth niche. So for wealth niche, so once you hit that, ChatGPT is going to write different codes for you, and as you can see, you just need to copy and you change the text on this page to that, and you start posting back to back. But make sure you use hashtag. When you are posting. So once that is done, that's the number one. And let me show you the website you can list out your service as a shout out seller, so people can reach out to you and buy your shout outs. All the links to this website I'm mentioning is in the description below, so you can just click on it and get access to the course. And if you are getting best value from this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it to your friends. Let's make money together. So right here, the website you're going to make money, you're going to list out your service on to get people to order you for shout out. It's called shoutcart.com. The link is in the description below. Don't be panic about the spelling or anything. So shoutcart. So all you need to do is to come over right here, you click on influencer. So once you click on influencer, it's going to load up. Okay, so it's going to load up, so let's wait for it to load up, then we move to the next one. As you can see right here, you can see people like you that's trying to sell their service. So all you need to do is to come over right here at the end of the page. Then you need to do is come over right here, you see Instagram gig, you get. So that's where you are going to set up your account, or you can just click on here for influencer. So once you click on influencer like that, it's going to redirect you to a page like where you start selling. All you need to do is to just sign up an account and you list out your service. They will authorize your Instagram account if you are selling Instagram. So you can do this on Instagram and Twitter. So if you want to go into Twitter faceless channel as well, so you can do that. I have a book for you in the description below. You will see the book, How to Grow Your Instagram Accounts Very Fast. So you just click the link and download it. It's free. You are not doing anything. It's free. Just download it and learn. So you can see right here, earn from your influence. So all you need to do is to scroll all the way down, then you register for free. That's nice, and you start making money about that. Okay, the other way you can use to make money with your Instagram faceless channel is by selling your own products through your bio. You get selling your own product, or you promote a product as an affiliate. That's going to make you more money for yourself to your bank. So you can leverage on that. If you don't know how to get a product to sell as an affiliate, you can come over to Warrior Plus like this. You come over to Warrior Plus, you sign up an account, then you come over here, you come to offers. So as you come to offers, you can see a lot of different products that you can sell right here. As you can see, it's loading up. So once the load up finish, you can see a lot of products right here. So all you need to do is to click on this. If this is what you want to promote, then you get to know what the product is all about, so you can know if it's tally with your niche and how you are going to put your content about it on your Instagram channel. So it's just something simple like that and easy to understand. So once you come over right here, as when I want to promote Profit Reply AI, all I need to do is to request for my affiliate link, and once you are approved to promote the product, you will have a link like this. Instead of request, you have get link. So that means you have been approved and you are ready to promote this product. So with that, you can make tons of money for yourself. It's something simple like that. So the next one, which is YouTube faceless channel. YouTube faceless channel is just also the same like Instagram, because that place you are not showing your face as well. So all you need to do is to set up a channel on YouTube as well. You set up a channel, you start posting content in a niche that you like, maybe words, you copy codes, you put it together on Canva as well. You copy codes, you put it together into video, you turn it to text, video, then you add some music, background music, then you start uploading it day by day, day by day, day by day, day by day. You can do like 5 videos upload per day, and you are going to make tons of money right here. So if you come over here, you will see, you must make sure you log in with your account then before you create up a channel, and that's going to make you money ASAP. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are getting value. So the next one is sales. With sales, that's one of the secret way you can use to make fast money, and I've showed you how you can scale that through with Warrior Plus, which is affiliate marketing. Or if you have your own particular product that you want to sell on your own, so you can also use that to leverage on it and make more sales and to earn more money for yourself. So it's just something simple like that. I hope you are getting best value. Smash the like button so you can encourage me to give you more updates like this and more to come from what I've learned or practiced. So the next one is freelancing. Freelancing is one of the best method to make money online, I must say, because I've been able to generate over $12,000 in the space of a year with freelancing. So I have my freelancing masterclass course where I teach you all you need to know about freelance, even up to 15 skills that you can render as a high paid income freelancer. So the first link in the description below, you will get access to the complete freelancing masterclass at a discount today. It's just something simple. Inside the course, I teach you different social media marketing, digital marketing, UI UX design is inside the course, and writing, translation, all the necessary things, and how to scale, how to get clients, how to withdraw your money, how to do everything around freelancing is packed inside the course. So click the first link in the description below so you can get access to the course at a discount. So let me explain what freelancing is all about to you. Freelancing is by just getting paid to do a certain service for someone, maybe your expertise or your experience. For instance, someone paid me to record a YouTube video for him or her, so that's freelancing. I'm freelancing my skill to the person. So how do you start as a freelancer to make money? For example, if you're a good writer or you have any initial skills that you want to render as a freelancer, all you need to do is to go over to fiverr.com. You go over to fiverr.com, you go over to upwork.com. That's the 2 websites I recommend for freelancer. But if you want to learn more, get my course and you learn up to 5 or 6 ways you can still use to make money as a freelancer, even outside online space. By just using your social media, you can still make money for yourself, and it's just something simple that way. So I don't know, my network is a bit down at the moment, but as you can see, it's loading. So you sign up to fiverr.com, you list out your service. If you don't know how to set up a Fiverr account, the video showing up right here will show you how to set up Fiverr account and how to list out your service. So but if you are that kind of lazy person and you don't know how to write anything, or you don't know how to write anything to put out for your clients, you can still use ChatGPT to write anything on any topic, but make sure you read and edit yourself. So you don't need to sell fake or AI content to your clients. There's no money worth your reputation, and you still have a long way to go online. So make sure all you need is honest. You need honesty. So once you use AI to write your content, make sure you proofread it manually with your own English and change all the necessary things. So for example, I want ChatGPT to write something for me about making money online, I will just say write 1000 words article about making money online. So if I hit that, as you can see, it's going to write an article for me. So all I need to do once it's done is just to click this button right here. There's a button that's going to show up right here. It's going to show up is a copy button. So I'm going to copy it, paste this in my notepad, edit it, and read. Make sure I adjust everything that need adjustment in this article before I submit it back to my clients. That's very first thing. And once that is done, make sure you charge up to $20 for 2,000 words. So $20 to $30 for 2,000 words, because you are just starting and you need clients to come over and over again to buy from you. And the next one on the list right here is sell a course. Sell a course. Yeah, selling a course is one of the best method you can use as to make money autopilotly, because okay, let me show you this. As you can see right here, is done. So this is the button I'm talking about. I just need to copy this and I'm going to edit and proofread it and make money for myself by just that. So to sell a course is just something easy. Once you master any of these skills, you can record yourself, do anything like this, something like this, I mean. So put it out and let people buy from you, but make sure you sell a course that you prepared yourself and you know the high quality and everything about the what you are teaching. Let people understand and let them get best value of their money. Many people will say they don't want to buy anything online, they don't want to buy course, they don't want to do this, they don't want to do that. But I must say it's only broke people that don't know how to make money that they call every opportunity scam, because all entrepreneurs have invested their money and to build themselves. They know what it takes to be a self-teacher. So I mean, when you buy a course, you teach yourself everything you learn in the course. So that's just simple. So to sell your course, after you prepared your course, you can sell it on a site like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable. So all the links to these websites are in the description below. All you need to do now is to start with one of these methods and leverage on it, make some money and invest in order to learn and earn more. So with that being said, I'm signing out and I will see you in the other video of mine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your comments. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. See you in my other video.